Hey there YouTube, it's Marvin here. How are you guys doing? Welcome to my channel RUV. In today's video, I just want to share with you guys the information that I got like a few weeks ago. That was a couple weeks ago. My friend broke his laptop. He accidentally broke the LCD of his laptop, and his laptop is Asus. And that's exactly what I want to talk today. As you can see on my screen, it says here Asus ADP, Accidental Damage Protection, and it's say right here that it's free 1 year ADP. So by the way, disclaimer, I'm not affiliated with Asus. I don't get paid making this video. I don't even own an Asus laptop. I want to share with you guys because I think this is a very useful information if you own an Asus laptop or if you're thinking to buy a brand new laptop. So this is gonna help you to decide whether to go with Asus or different brands. Alright, so let's scroll down here. As you can see here, see Asus laptops with the ADP. It means that like not all the Asus laptop has that free accidental damage protection, as it says here, but it says here like free accidental damage protection ADP on most laptops, so that when accident happen, we have you covered. Anyway, scroll down more. As you can see right here, they will cover like liquid spills to your laptop. It means that if you spill any liquid to your laptop, coffee, milk, whatever, also if you manage to crack the screen, it's also covered. And also electrical surge from storm, they will also cover it. So what's not covered? Cosmetic damage such as scratches, dents, and blemishes, incorrect, inadequate installation or modification, theft or loss of the unit components, damage caused by acts of God, nature, or war. And here it says accidentally damage your Asus laptop. That means that accidentally, not intentionally. And if you're not happy with a free 1 year accidental damage protection, you can also buy an extended warranty up to 4 years. And here, these are the Asus laptops that has free accidental damage coverage: ZenBooks, VivoBooks, Chromebook Vive are OG gaming laptops, Asus TUF Expert books, and Asus ProArt Studio books, which is most of the Asus laptop models. Anyway, let's go to the registration page, which is I already opened here in the another tab, and I'm gonna put the link in the description below so that you can just copy it and then paste it to your browser. Okay, so this is the registration page. As you can see here, it says register now. Register your new Asus laptop to receive 1 year of complimentary accidental damage protection. And these are the same information that we talked earlier. And here, how to receive your 1 year complimentary ADP. Register as an Asus member. Register your device in your Asus account settings or via the My Asus apps. Enjoy peace of mind with ADP. Also at the very bottom here on the bottom left corner, there's another good benefits from Asus. Share your experience with us and you can qualify for 90-day warranty extension. It means that's 90 days, that's another 3 months by just sharing your experience. And let's go up here. And I'm really sorry guys, because like as I said, I don't even own an Asus laptop, so I cannot like show you the process of registration. But let me just click this one here, the register now, and let's see where this one gonna take us. Alright, so right here, say sign up with Facebook, Google, Apple, or register with email address. So based on the few information that my friend shared with me, I would recommend to register with your email address, because that's what you gonna need when you take your laptop to any Asus authorized repair center. Alright, so let's go back here to the registration page, and let me share with you guys like what my friend shared with me when he get his laptop fixed by Asus without paying anything. So here, I'm gonna read it again. Register your new Asus laptop to receive 1 year of complimentary accidental damage protection. This is kind of misleading because it doesn't mean that actually that your laptop is newly purchased before you can register it, because like my friend's laptop actually is already 4 months old when he damaged the LCD panel, but he still managed to register it. So meaning as long that your laptop is still under warranty, like under 1 year manufacturer warranty from the date of purchase, that means that you are still eligible to register your product for this program. So let's talk about my friend's experience using this program. So as I mentioned that after you register your Asus laptop, you can just take it to any Asus authorized service center. And in my friend's case, he bought his laptop from Best Buy. And actually at the time after he broke the LCD of his laptop, he didn't know about this program. But Best Buy, they have their own repair center. They call it Geek Squad. So he took it there to get an estimate how much it's gonna cost him to replace the LCD panel. But after Best Buy find out that his laptop is still under warranty, it's they tell him actually to register to this program. So shout out to Best Buy for doing that. That is very good customer service. So yeah, my friend managed to get his laptop fixed, replaced the broken LCD panel under this program, and he did not pay a single penny. Alright guys, just to summarize everything, so if your laptop is still under 1 year manufacturer warranty, take advantage of this program, and then you go here and try to register your product. If you just bought a new Asus laptop, don't wait, register it right away so that you have peace of mind. And if you ask me where is the good service center to take your laptop, so based on my friend's experience with the Best Buy, I would suggest Best Buy. And why? Because Best Buy has lots of stores everywhere, so you don't really have to go to a specific location. What you have to do is to take your Asus laptop to any closest Best Buy store, and then give them all the information that they need regarding this Asus accidental damage protection. And once your laptop is eligible, Best Buy will take care of everything for you. They will send your laptop to the repair service center, which is Geek Squad, and they will take care the repair. And by the way, this program is only good for North America. It means US and Canada. And take note that you can only make a claim once under this program, so use it wisely. Let's say like you only have like a minor cracks or in the cabinet, or just like a damaged wire on your AC adapter. I wouldn't recommend to claim it. Use it like when you have like a big damage, like big repair, just like my friend, LCD panel broken, or like the cabinet, the cabinet is broken, that it will cost you like lots of money to repair. So I would save it for that. So again, I'm not telling you which brand of the laptop you have to buy and where do you have to take your laptop for repair. It's just a piece of information that I think it's useful for anyone who has owned an Asus laptop, or you're planning to buy an Asus laptop. And if you find this content useful, please don't forget to click that thumbs up button, and probably subscribe. You don't really have to subscribe, but if you do, I will really appreciate it. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.